We're back with more of our NBC News investigation about a medical device implanted in thousands of people that is linked to more than 24 deaths. Tonight, an exclusive interview with a former company insider and even more questions. Did the maker dismiss early warning signs of potentially fatal flaws? And did the company forge a signature on a key document it submitted to the FDA? NBC's Stephanie Goss reports.
There's anxiety every time I see a hospital.
A head-on 70-mile-an-hour collision left mother of two, Dodie Froelich, near death.
When the firemen got there, they tried to cut me out with the jaws of life twice, and then they finally got me.
4 months later, Dodie was again rushed to the ER as her heart filled up with blood.
With every breath, I swear to you, I didn't know if I was taking another. I kept saying it over and over, it has to be the filter.
After her car accident, doctors implanted a blood clot filter called the Recovery. It's a 1.5-inch wire metal trap placed in the largest vein in the body to block clots from reaching the heart and lungs, where they could be fatal. Dodie's filter was made by medical device giant C.R. Bard, one of 11 companies that sells blood clot filters in the U.S. But instead of protecting her, Dodie's filter broke and pierced her heart. During emergency open heart surgery, doctors removed this 1-inch piece of metal, saving her life. Gloria Adams wasn't so lucky.
She's always smiling.
Yeah. Healthy and outgoing, she was 55 years old when a brain aneurysm struck. Her son Kevin says she was recovering quickly.
For having an aneurysm, which someone can die from, she was doing remarkable.
Gloria was sent home with a clean bill of health, but just 1 week later, she was dead. An autopsy showed that instead of stopping a clot pushed the filter into her heart, puncturing it. Gloria Adams' death was the second in a string of at least 27 fatalities associated with Bard's Recovery filter.
There's the filter there.
Dr. John Rechtenwald says blood clot filters are a valuable surgical tool, implanted in some 250,000 people each year, most without incident. But he saw firsthand the damage done by Bard's Recovery filter when it dislodges or breaks apart.
So that's the leg of the filter in his heart?
Yes.
Can you die from that?
You could potentially die from that, yes.
By 2002, the Recovery filter had been submitted for FDA clearance, but was rejected. Bard hired Kay Fuller, a veteran regulatory specialist, to help try again.
I was pretty concerned that there were going to be problems with this product.
Fuller says she grew concerned when the company failed to give her important safety performance test results. A small human clinical trial also raised red flags.
How were they responding to your complaints at that point, or concerns?
It was basically, you know, if you continue to pursue these questions, that I was going to be asked to not be on the team. And I was shocked.
Fuller says she told her boss that she would not sign Bard's FDA application until her concerns were addressed.
But yet it was submitted anyway. Why did you support it?
I didn't, actually.
Well, but your signature's on it.
I did not sign this.
That's not your signature?
That is not my signature.
This, Fuller says, is her real signature.
What are you saying, it was forged?
I will tell you that I did not sign it.
This was done without your knowledge.
That's correct.
Fuller resigned from the company, but not before she says she privately reported her safety concerns to the FDA.
I never knew what they did after that.
And the FDA won't say. The agency denied our repeated request for an interview. In a statement, it said the FDA takes very seriously complaints about forgeries and device safety issues. The FDA did not specifically address Fuller's allegations. Bard also declined an on-camera interview with NBC News, but said that any suggestion that the company submitted forged documents to the FDA is flatly untrue, and stated that all of its filters have been appropriately cleared by the FDA based on required and accurate documentation. And now, Gloria Adams' son Kevin says he wants others to avoid her fate.
This is a great opportunity for me to tell my mom's story and get the word out for her.
What would you say to him?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that that happened to your mother. It failed catastrophically. His mother should have never died because of this product failing. Shouldn't have happened.
While Bard stopped selling the Recovery filter in 2005, more than 34,000 were sold, and it was never officially recalled. Bard's own records estimate that as of 2006, there were still more than 20,000 people walking around with them implanted in their bodies. Experts believe that the longer a filter remains implanted, the greater risk it poses. If you have a filter implanted, health officials say you should check with your doctor to determine what brand of filter you have and whether it should be removed.
All right, Stephanie, thank you.